Hello guys and welcome back. So before we do a full review of the Clear Gadget case that we have on the phone here, I just want to get one important aspect out of the way because I feel it's really important. I had to go through this and all of you have to go through this. So putting the case on and taking it off. So as you might have seen in one of my other videos, it was pretty tricky to put it on because I don't want to scratch it. It's a beautiful phone, beautiful golden finish, and I don't want to scratch it. So then putting it on is pretty easy, but then taking it off actually is way harder. So I had to go through that. I had to try it a long time before I got it off. And it's not easy, so I just want to make this video for you guys today to show you how to take it off without scratching it. So let's get to it, guys. All right, so the first thing you want to do is look in this area right here. You can see the case does not cover this, it only covers these corners. So we wouldn't want to start with the case is holding the phone really tight like here, it's covering. We want to start what is the easiest to pry it off. So what I would recommend is you take the S Pen out first because it's going to make it just a little easier. And then the next thing is lift this corner right here with your fingernail. It helps if you have long or strong fingernails. So you see it came off. I just pulled up and then pushed. So we want to make sure if that doesn't come back down here, but if it does, that's fine. We're going to do it, and then you do the same thing in this corner. So let's lift, where I'm lifting it like this and then pushing it that way. So let's do that with my fingernail, and you see now it's almost off. So let's see. This is my first time doing it really streamlined. Like I had to, every time I was doing it, I was figuring out a little bit more. So let's see if we can keep it going and just do it in one go. So just pop it out. Let's see. Pop it out. Come on. There we go, guys. Wow, this has been my best attempt. So I have to tell you right now. And then you just pull it out, and there you go, guys, taking it off. This time, this was the easiest attempt for me. All my previous attempts were way harder, so I feel really good right now that I could show it to you guys on camera. Okay, so now putting it back on, it should be way easier. So we're gonna start. So the buttons are here, the buttons are on this side. We're gonna start there. Let's see. I'm gonna lift this a little bit up. I'm just gonna slide it in there. And then pop it in. Just push it a little bit, pull with your fingernail. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. All right, guys. So now that we know how to do it, it's way easier. When you have to figure it out, it's way slower, but patience is a virtue. So I had to do it really slow to not scratch it, and eventually I got there. Now I can share it with you guys. So if you found this useful, please like, comment, share. And if you feel like this channel, it's if this video is showing you something that you like, this channel is going to be all about that, like gadgets and figuring out stuff, showcasing stuff. So if you like that, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.